Let me share a story. She found us on Google after her advisor said, "We don't do tax planning." Wow, that stopped me cold because she wasn't asking some complicated question. She was asking about selling the home she raised her family in. A major life decision, a major financial decision, and a decision with real tax consequences. Thankfully, she knew enough to ask the question, but her advisor was focused on investments and selling products. Her accountant was focused on filing returns. While this new widow was trying to figure out how one decision could impact the rest of her life, sadly, the financial advice often gets separated into boxes. One person handles the investments, another handles the taxes, and yet another the estate work. But real life doesn't work that way. Decisions are intertwined. Selling property affects taxes, taxes affect income, and income affects retirement. So when she came to us, the first thing we did was slow the conversation down. Not products, not performance charts, questions. What do you want your life to look like? What assets did you inherit? What was the property worth? When did you buy it? Before you make a financial decision, you need to understand the ripple effect. That's real planning, and that's where a lot of advisors miss the mark. People think financial planning is about beating the market. Most of the time, it's about helping people see around blind spots. Taxes are one of the biggest blind spots there are. They impact almost every major money decision you make. So if your advisor says we don't do tax planning, you have to ask yourself a bigger question. Who's looking at the whole picture? Because that's the job. Not just managing the money, helping people make smarter decisions with the life they've worked hard to build.